TinaGale here, and I thought I would do a quick wrap up to the 4x4 series that I have been participating in, given by Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. So if you haven't found her yet, be sure to click the link down below and check out her YouTube channel because it's awesome. And her 4x4 series, this is the second one that she did, and she'll be doing another one in December around the Christmas season. It was exactly what I needed to get me scrapbooking really quick and just not struggle over decisions. So I just wanted to share my cards. I finished those, but I didn't film those because I'm not a card maker. Thought I'd show you my layouts, but there are process videos for each one of the layouts and what I had left. So this is the pattern paper that I had left. You can see I used it all. This sheet was my bonus sheet, and I ended up switching out some of the pieces that were cut for the cards and used it instead because I liked it better with the papers that I had left. So that was really the only changes I did, I think. And then of course I had cardstock left because I had a lot of extra cardstock put in there because it was with the kit that I was pulling from. Most of my most of my product was from one of the kits, and then I added in some other ones. So that was the pattern paper I had left. Of course, I have tons of embellishments left. I used quite a few of the chipboard pieces, just a couple of those. I only used one of those stickers. Didn't get to that at all. This one was used beforehand, but I did get several more of those done. So I will probably pull these stickers off and get rid of this big sheet because there's just not that much left on there. This was the main collection that I was using, Photo Play Paper Fall Breeze, and you can tell I used quite a few of the stickers, but still have a lot left. And I may make at least one more card. I probably can get 2 cards out of that. Like I said, I'm not a card maker, but I love the way they turned out, and they were so simple with using the stickers and embellishments. So I may go ahead and make a couple of more cards and use up some of these stickers. This is the one I pulled because it had the 3 alphabets, and my challenge to myself was to use these alphabets that I collect so many of, but I don't use because I struggle with creating titles. And you can tell, I didn't really make a dent in them, but I did rise to the occasion because you can see on this one I did create a long title. So all of those stickers came from this sheet, and I used a few of the embellishing stickers. And then stuff that I had pulled from my stash, different die cuts and wood veneer and things. And again, I pulled a lot because I love lots of layering and embellishing. My washi, which I did use, I think all of them, but maybe that one. And my rub-ons that were a major fail. So if you watched the process video, you saw that. So yeah, I have lots of embellishments left, but I knew, that would be the case because, like I said, I love embellishing. These are all my branding strips that I had left thrown up here, so you can tell I used all of that pattern paper. That's quite exciting to use that much. Okay, so a really quick look through the layouts. Like I said, there are full process videos for all of those. This was the first one that I did, and I used that bonus paper that I had to begin with right off the bat for my background, and then most everything I gutted the center, so most all of that went onto my cards. Super happy with all of the layouts. I think they turned out so nice. They're so cute, and they were so quick to put together. And of course my sweet little pumpkin here is the theme running throughout. She's on every page, I think. And then this one here. Love all the different clusters of embellishments and how they worked out. And then my little girl here. So I got to use those critters throughout some of them, which made me really happy because I wanted to get those used. So sweet. They remind me so much of her. So I got it on the paper here, and then one here, and then I got these 2 little critters on this one. So that was the 4 layouts I did using her formula. Like I said, I went by all of her formulas, but I did flipped my papers over for some of them, and some I left off some of like the strips, but everything else was all hers. So the 4 cards, these might, I believe all the background papers, you know, the bulk of the papers are exactly how she did them. I just changed up a few little pieces, like, I don't think that strip maybe, but I had made a mistake when I was cutting my papers, and it wasn't quite big enough, but I had a sliver of this, so I just made a little border in between there. So I have lots of fun fall cards. The other thing that I could do with some of my scraps is to go inside of here and just put a piece, because that's always a lot of fun if you put a little splash of color on the inside of your cards. So I have this one here. So this one was just a cut apart from one of the papers, and all of the embellishing on top are stickers. Same thing here. This was one of the ephemera pieces, the die cut pieces, and then these are stickers. And then this one was a sticker. The only thing that I haven't done that I will probably go back and do is use my twine and just wrap around and tie some bows. I didn't get that done, but I think I will do that because that will definitely add some fun and texture. So there are the 4 cards that I did and the 4 layouts. So again, if you haven't checked out Janet's channel at RTS Scrapbooking and her 4for4 series, definitely hop over there and check it out and play along. It was a lot of fun. And I could see myself doing this again probably here pretty soon, because it definitely allowed me to get a lot of pages done much quicker than what I normally do, because my choices were done for me. I just got to have fun figuring out where to put them and all of the layering and embellishing, which of course is my favorite part. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.